dickory-dock, hickory-dickory-dock. The snake climbed onto the clock. The clock struck 2, the snake slid free. Hickory-dickory-dock, hickory-dickory-dock, hickory-dickory-dock. The frog hopped near the clock struck 3. He croaked for heaven. Hickory-dickory-dock, hickory-dickory-dock. The deer leaped upon the clock. The clock struck 4, the deer said boo. Hickory-dickory-dock, hickory-dickory-dock. The elephant bumped the clock down, crashed the clock with a mighty sound.